Have you ever heard about the most remote place on Earth? This is not some hidden mountain peak or a mysterious desert, but a spot in the vast expanse of the ocean. Welcome to the enigma that is Point Nemo. This intriguing point is not just a dot on the map, it's a symbol of extreme remoteness. Imagine a place where the closest humans are often astronauts in the International Space Station, rather than anyone on Earth. That's Point Nemo for you. Nestled deep in the Pacific Ocean, Point Nemo is the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. That means it's the one point in the ocean that is farthest from any land. It's a place so remote, so isolated, that the closest people are often in space. This point of absolute solitude is shrouded in mystery, sparking curiosity in the hearts of explorers and scientists alike. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into the history and discovery of Point Nemo. The discovery of Point Nemo isn't a tale of ancient explorers or brave adventurers. No, this journey unfolds within the realm of modern technology and the mind of a single man, Hrvoje Lukatela. Born in Croatia, Lukatela later moved to Canada, where he would make his significant contribution to geographic knowledge. A survey engineer by trade, Lukatela had a fascination with the remote and the unexplored. In 1992, Lukatela turned to his computer, a tool of his trade, to explore the uncharted territories of our world. He created a geospatial computer program, a system designed to calculate the coordinates of the point on Earth furthest from any land. The program was based on the concept of pole of inaccessibility, a geographical term referring to the most challenging place to reach due to its remoteness from geographical features which could provide access. As the program crunched numbers and analyzed data, a point in the South Pacific Ocean began to emerge. This was a place nearly 2,700 kilometers from the closest specks of land: Ducie Island, Motu Nui, and Maher Island. It was the epitome of solitude, a place so remote that humans had never set foot there. Lukatela had discovered a place where the closest possible neighbors were often astronauts aboard the International Space Station, soaring high above in their orbital path. This remote, lonely spot in the South Pacific was christened Point Nemo, a name now recognized by the International Hydrographic Organization. But why Nemo? Well, Nemo is Latin for no one, reflecting the sheer isolation of this point. However, Nemo also brings to mind a certain fictional submarine captain from Jules Verne's novel, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. And this remote location wasn't named after Captain Nemo by chance. The name Point Nemo might stir up images of the famous submarine captain from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, but its origin is a tale that's both whimsical and poignant. When Croatian-Canadian survey engineer Hrvoje Lukatela identified the most isolated point in the world's oceans, he chose a name that would reflect its extraordinary solitude. Lukatela did indeed name it after Jules Verne's Captain Nemo, but not for the reasons one might think. In fact, the truth lies in the etymology of the word Nemo itself. In Latin, Nemo translates to no one, a name that perfectly encapsulates the remoteness of this location. It's a place so far from land that the closest humans are often astronauts aboard the International Space Station, soaring 408 kilometers above the Earth. Point Nemo is a testament to the vast, unexplored expanses that still exist on our planet. So, Point Nemo isn't just remote, it's also a place full of fascinating facts. Point Nemo isn't merely a point on a map, it's a world of its own. It's a place that redefines remoteness. Located in the South Pacific Ocean, it's the farthest place on Earth from land. In fact, the astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting about 254 miles above us, are often closer to Point Nemo than anyone on dry land is. But distance isn't the only thing that makes Point Nemo unique. It also serves as a kind of spacecraft cemetery. Yes, you heard that right. Due to its extreme remoteness, it's been chosen as the final resting place for defunct spacecrafts. It's estimated that over 260 spacecrafts have been laid to rest in this watery graveyard. Life at Point Nemo is equally fascinating. Despite its harsh conditions, some species of hardy microbes have managed to survive there. Point Nemo, a place of solitude and mystery, continues to captivate our imaginations.